Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about are water bowls. What's a water bowl? Kind of like what it sounds. It's a bowl of water. But there's something so cool about water bowls. I love them. So we've got these really cool water bowls that we can have one spilling into another bowl. And it's like a big bowl of water. And have it lit up at nighttime. And then the bottom bowl kind of cascades, the water cascades over the bowl, goes to an underground reservoir, goes up to the top bowl, and check it out. You can have multiple bowls spilling one into another. We can even suspend them on chains, or we can do all kinds of cool stuff. I love water bowls. We're a master certified installer of water features, so we know how to do this and do it properly. We know which bowls to get, what pumps to get, how to make it a very low maintenance situation. So we want to install an auto doser with the correct treatments to put in there that are safe for wildlife, and it's going to create just something that you're not going to have to worry about seeing algae growing on it and that type of thing. So if this is something that you might be interested in, please give us a call. This is Dave with Aqualife Ponds, and enjoy that.